This is the Go Pure 5-stage water purifier. It's ideal to fit to your drinking water supply, and here's how it works. Your drinking water basically comes through the system, it goes through the spun polyprop filter, and that removes any suspended particles in the water and it keeps it out of your drinking water. It then passes through the granular carbon filter and the carbon block filter. What these filters do is they filter out any organics, turbidity, odor, and chlorine. The water then passes through the UF membrane, and this removes any particles, turbidity, bacteria, and any harmful substances. It then passes through the mineral ball filter, and what this does, it actually introduces essential minerals to improve the water quality. From here, it's diverted to a tap connected to your sink, and you've got perfectly pure, clean drinking water. If this product information was useful, like it, share it, and you can subscribe to our channel.